Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat baka net foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Uba arju dekhar, ubalang nongsong snong jong kalumuba. Ulapan jubab ling baka Right to Information Act, naka Sorkar jela, bat naka Sorkar Pdeng. Hakabai day bat ka Bhah Kyrpang yaki Riewlum Scheduled Tribe jong ka jela Meghalaya, haki Shlem Treikam kibadan daki spa teli hakni ka jela Meghalaya. Haki jinga keren bagi lapat hai kubor ba arju layut hu, bakat kum ka jubab RTI, balayo naka Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Personnel and Training, ka lapen pau, ba haka jela Meghalaya, ka Bhah Kyrpang yaki Riewlum khasi jaintia bat garu, haki Shlem Treikam yaki Sorkar Pdeng, kilong sau pusau nakisispa, iway nakisispa yaki Scheduled Cars, bat san nakisispa yaki way pat kijat benriu kibadang saadin.
Hadirin mengenai ya ka jigi kon sama di sini apa ki penduk alor ka jigi yo ya ki kam jam bat fi yang ne ki industries ki jongi kilong ki beduna bat ki avenues nan ko mentaki kon ki jongi bikin tre ya ki private bat ki industries kolong limited ha tarafin ibun ba ki abane chaba jong jala bikin besar ya ki besar jongi kami pumpa kala perkhaji mut chika de yana but abang study ki documents ngolong beri open system abang study ki documents ngasham ba recruitment apa government of India group A B C D la reserve ini usually try 7.5% jadi direct recruit de habang apek pat ki documents pat namang puli ba karon ko ika bakat ho rong ba nakadaw ba joga group C but group D namar ba kini kilong link hakini ki candidate kiba naki locality or the region the zone ma ibaran kini central offices te yakene pat ka ilaya be daka percentage that kum ka reservation based on the 2001 census. But ya kata apa mempercayai pi bagi on group C and group D fisupo bagi di post ki bakam apo di kemudian candidate ki attract ki di local defini apa ka jala ka juni shibun ba ngidon ki central government offices sangi bagi branch offices ki jongi ki regional offices ki jongi ki financial institutions ki defense establishment nanti ki educational institutions bagi bagi office bagi spat lagi dan hangi bala deficient mi recruitment ke jongka in group C and group D hakaba ngan sabatai fi ka no nilong entitlement mengi tribal jongka state finlong shop ma ti ngan chu batai je fi ya history ke jongka ni balai ka poi ka put yang ba ngin hak ban ya shong lang kum ni bat nakaliang ke jongka sen hitu ma namar kum individual ngaran ke limit ke bangan hak bentrek beyond that ngamla bentrek ma ti takadaw ni dana ni ka join press conference akan ni kasni ya halor ka joga ni RTI ka jonga ka bangapan lemba jong director jong employment and craftsman training jong government of Meghalaya aka araja ka kendai ngapan halor kini recruitment ki badai ya kan ni ka RTI ka jonga forward jopo under secretary jong Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pension Department pension and training North Block New Delhi ma haka 1st of February 2017 de harin kata kebetulan kalau bah nakalian ke jonggo government of India immediately di I akan nika reply mah aku praterik March araja kendai di harin bangayo akan ni ngandap study akan ki dokumen sangne kalau very clearly ka state hangne ba katkum kenika office memorandum kabadai kejong san of santrik Julai arajar san ma santrik Julai arajar san clearly ka state haneba it has now been decided to revise the quantum of revision for SC and ST and OBC in case of direct recruitment to group C and group D posts normally attracting candidates from a locality or a region keeping in mind the figures of the 2001 census as given in the annexure of this OM. Kani ke annexure ko no? Hakani ke annexure based on the 2001 census. Meghalaya kalong entitled SC 1%, ST 44%, and OBC 5%. So, which means the ST of Meghalaya, state of Meghalaya, are entitled for recruitment, direct recruitment, to the post of Group C and Group D in the central office establishment in the state of Meghalaya along South percent. No, South percent, which is huge. That in compare that in 2005, we go back into this all this recruitment. Kemudian deki hajar ikna dijongi ini outcome apa central offices. Jadi, masih nyo aja kan immediately ngatho siapa apa siapa tu ume arajar kendai with a request ben direct the head of departments jongi central offices di badan office apa state of Meghalaya ben implement ya kenego order. Ngayo ay reply ka aku atre Julai arajar kendai. Kabaong gumni kani kani kabawan na poka. Under Secretary jongka Personal and Administrative Reform B Department jongka Government of Meghalaya. Kabaong in inviting a reference to your letter on the subject cited above, I am directed to request you to kindly take up the matter with the Government of India, as the issue of appointment in central government offices located in Meghalaya is not under the administrative review of the Government of Meghalaya. This has the approval of the competent authority. Kabamut ba Sorkar kajuni kamdan kanu what tam direct the head of the departments will implement ya keneka order kalau enggak ike kaba personally ngasungsi ba markani kadika ike ba kadika jimuntoy na kabanta ki honti ki jongi ade kum yakinero mantaki kwa niat yang akan individual bangan habat tikop ade kan duduk mensir na tikop yakani on 19th of March 2021 na tho siapa Chairman ya National Commission for Scheduled Tribe marngasuk tu bang habia iklinti steps by steps ma abang tho ayu yakini ngala mention yakini 44% skibadai na claim your response ma claim your response but na kwa ban kuat hangne ngan kan chai 5 step ba kani ke issue lari support Supreme Court honorable Supreme Court ngan cukup ma ngan kuat ya gawe ke ba nama kan ke sti ke ba remind them siapa chairman jangan ka National Commission for Scheduled Tribe on 15th of November 2021 na kuat ya kene ke badai ke ba mi ke press hak 6 of October 2021 ke ba ongkum ni ma atau ne I would like to further inform the Honorable Commission that as per the Times of India published on 6 October 2021, the Honorable Attorney General Sri K.K. Venugopal and Additional Solicitor General Sri Balbir Singh submitted before the Honorable Supreme Court Bench of Justice Sri L. Nagarajan Rao and Sanjeev Khanna and Sri B.R. Davri Court. However, Venugopal told the court that in 1965, the percentage of SC and ST staff in central government jobs was 3.34% and 0.62% respectively, which has risen to 17.5% and 6.82%. He said that the SC-ST representation was more in Group C and Group D categories of job and less in Group A and Group B category. The Attorney General also contended that adequate representation means that their share in the government job should be proportionate to their share in the population. Unquote. Kani kadai kebagla submit ya ka affidavit apa Honorable Supreme Court, which means the government of India pada data kejungka. Unfortunately, akan di state of Meghalaya claim implement ya kani by the head of the departments di badan apakah jela kejongi. Nolor kata haka absent trik November arajar akui na tho ikan di city siaboro lai di chief executive member jangka autonomous district council marbon kini central offices di hub of schedule area di maongi ki baki soha bakin tega bat kini central offices ki berna ki jurisdiction ki joki bakin implement ni kani hari ke basongsi kolomba nakini ki district council ru naklem yo ya response even ngalatigop bat ka committee on STSC job assembly committee ngamtip nakaliang job kiru ka progress makiru kini authority bakin someone yakini head of departments dan fokus itu jungi ban direct iki bikin implement yakini hanre klem shemle ya kata di hakaba ngala haka Julai arajar aku aru ngala kho biang siapa honorable governor jong jalan jungi marang song kho ba bikin central office berkhai di hapo kajingpe kajong governor jadi governor kumjur wah kan state kejongi kidon ke power bagian pan yang details hari bas ngomsi ba ngamtip pelong ba wat ya kaniru honorable governor jungi kapsin kia de kani kolong ga kejingdo but ngado mensem ngado jingkermen de recently ngat ho biang chapo kani ki deputy secretary halor jongane debat ki ahi lejuk reply di jangai paman ya chakmat ban jam chakmat ki om baik ba istan baik ba kana kalian ga juno hakini ki banai hakini ki snan aga movement ga jongki ngamdan even om chapang ga ka movement ka bakti di ya chakmat ka ai mun semina abang apet ya ka leadership ga jongkani ka organization ba di ka discipline kamar nganglong yele di ubri discipline makwa ban le kanu banyak dalam disiplin. Di ngasong pu ba asal individual ngamla ngalak semua kau ya report hakaba ngan handover ini documents ha organization kaba kadon ke sincerity kadon ke jing it ke juga makabata menteri na betang ke hakamiat jaga jalah ibar koi hantam ikun samla ke juni di ngakwa iki bakin sngobha ban tigap ya kani kan kebagi sobit ngai la de asan individual dan perkut ia kena ke isu akan dikasih ada dengan tang IT advice lagi dorkam tambahan ni syakmat dan IT haki bagi tegak biar ni tangkau yang aku aman om ia ke heads of the departments dan kena kereng mah this is my request to all the head of the departments in charge of the central offices, be it defense establishment, be it educational institution, be it regional, zonal office, financial institutions, please paste the list of employees of Group C and Group D in the notice board of your office. Since the volunteers of HITO will be coming to your office for verification and to avoid any unwanted incidents which may occur, we request the head of the departments to kindly provide the details, which is very important since this is already an order where it has clearly been stated that the entitlement for Group C and Group D posts in the state of Meghalaya, 44% is reserved for the scheduled tribe of the state of Meghalaya. So we want that this order of the Ministry of Personnel and Grievances, Government of India, be implemented. The state government, such state, Bhah, Bachimkia, Yakanekam, Namar, Kanigadi, kebam dei bengile pelat put ngiyai lait ya ka an hanrei ngiyai kat kum ki orders ki blak don lupa hakaba central government kala ai yangi ketika rights to jongi. It is just a matter of implementation.
Arju dekat sak sport lu mau stai ini negara yang ke jungi hi kumba pila shania ba pila sunday ba ai mekin ki kot ki ba pila yo pila budian ini negara yang ke jungi ni ai bet ya ka kai ga ba de bende ni ya bis khamat ba base kat kum ka ngan thai khndet ka job reservation mena ro ka it cannot be based on principle and spirit kumno kat ya ka ya kata ka ai thungkam thungjam man shuya rai tang la tien man shuya shu ko mu ko bam la kan long te ngai scam ba kini ki kot ki ba phil ai ki ba shomongren ba ni ngin bot ba bro kha ki central office ngin le khandang ba la da ngin lap ba kat kum ko ba ke jungi ki ba khna ki kon samla ki de ban yo kam yo jam te man sim ni ha pan sim de ki wi klenti kum ba ya ka to ko job reservation ri ru mi ang ba yin ya bi kat kum ka an in the court of law nang man pe khmat ya ni ka Sorkar but ya kan ka central office ru ki badan hang ni ngin ya khon tenge be ba kat kum ka hok ni ngin dawa be umde ni dawa batam ndre ke jongi ke jongi ke jong ke batam ke jong ki we ki